Walking alone in the middle of the night, we shine bright than a diamond. We were strangers at the start.
Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're doing well today. Gonna be a little bit different of a video. So I recently got a new laptop, a little bit more power under the hood, so I could do some coding and video editing and stuff like that on the go when I need to, which should make things in this channel a little bit more consistent. But I wanted to show you today how I'm coding across two platforms pretty seamlessly now that Git is built into Visual Studio Code. Very helpful little tool to use, especially if you have like a laptop and a desktop that you want to work on both of them. So first off, I'm not an expert on this in any way, shape, or form. So there's some really good tutorials out there, written and other video tutorials. I'm definitely going to be linking all of these, the documentation. Visual Studio Code has an article on it, as well as Git Kraken. This is the one I really used, just getting initially set up. So prerequisites that you're going to need. You're going to need to have Visual Studio Code, install Git from here, and then also make sure you have a GitHub account that you can link that to. So essentially the way this is going to work is I'm going to be able to edit code here, push this to my GitHub, and then when I get on my laptop, I can just bring that code down from where it's stored and merge all those changes together. But there are also some pretty cool little things you can look at. Like if we look here, so you can see the changes that have been made. So you can see here I just changed my keys because I reset and I was trying to do some more testing. And then when I'm ready, I can just click this button down here and synchronize the changes. It'll push this new code to GitHub, and then I can pull that on my other device. So to get this set up, as I said, make sure you have Git downloaded and you have a GitHub account, as well as Visual Studio Code. Once that's done, you're going to want to go into a PowerShell if you're in Windows or just a terminal, depending on what system you're on. And you can see if we type in git here, we now have some commands we can do. So you're going to do git config, and then you're going to do, here, I'll just show you over here. So it's going to be global if you want it to go across your whole device, which you probably do. If you just do username and then your name, it's going to be local to that folder. So you do git config global and then your username, and then git config global your email associated with your account. So once you do that, it's going to be able to link with your account. From there, see if you click here, we get all this stuff. You're going to want to create a new branch in whatever folder that you want. So I have mine here. You could definitely organize this better. This is just all of my code that I've been currently working on in this big folder here. And then if we go on to my repositories, you can see work in progress. I have all this code here. And then as well as a couple things posted for you guys to check out. So once you do that, you're going to create that branch. It's going to come up with a bunch of pop-ups. I'm not going to go through all of it, but it's going to have a bunch of stuff asking, Visual Studio Code asking you for permission to open GitHub, link your GitHub account. It'll have you sign in. And then once you get that initial sign-in done, you can push code and stuff pretty simply with the click of a button. It'll still ask you, so I'm logged in on all my devices to GitHub. So when I go through it, it's pretty quick. But it'll still ask you to verify that you want to do that. But regardless, it's a lot quicker than emailing yourself the code or doing anything like that. And also, you get this really cool version control feature where you can see changes that have been made. You can do all kinds of stuff with like going back to old changes, stuff like that. So yeah, that's about it. I just kind of wanted to show this off a little bit because I found it really cool and really useful. And I hope you guys get a little something out of it too. But yeah, I'll go ahead and leave these in the description. Go ahead and check those out. Definitely worth doing if you're using multiple devices to work on your code. With all that said, if you have any questions or run into problems going through this, hit me up either in the Discord or in the comments, and I will get back to you on that as quick as I can. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.